What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I cropped this hoodie like this. It was a hoodie that I had and it was kind of long. I'll show you guys like in the video. But the hoodie was a little long and I just wanted to crop it. And so yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I cropped this. It is a little long in the back, but it's whatever. So we're gonna see how I cropped my hoodie like this. Like, comment, subscribe, continue watching this continue watching this video, and turn on my bell notifications so you will be notified when I do upload, because I do upload every Tuesdays and Fridays. Yeah, and let's just get started with the video. Okay, so this is what the hoodie looks like. I don't know if you can see the whole thing because I'm really short and I don't feel like wearing shoes. But this is what it looks like. And I kind of think I want to cut it maybe up to here. And so yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I think I'm gonna cut it like up to here. And I just really like everything cropped, and it is kind of oversized on me, so I feel like it would be really cute to wear like something like some jeans or leggings and wear like wear some boots or something and have this over it. I feel like that would be really cute. So yeah, let's get on ahead with the DIY. Okay, so with this project, all you need is a hoodie. All you need is this hoodie, and all you need is a pair of fabric scissors, and that's really it. And then what I'm gonna do, most people would just line it and mark it to where they want to do it, but I kind of have an idea of where I want it. I kind of want it to cut it off like right here, and so that's what I'm gonna do. And usually I do mark things and just do it, but I think today I'm just gonna eyeball it. And so yeah, so that's what I'm about to do, and I'm just gonna do like a little, I don't know, it's just like really super easy. This was one of the hoodies that I don't know, like it's just really long, and I just want to DIY this. And yeah, let's get started. So this is what it looks like. I kind of think, I did it a little bit. Honestly, I think it looks really good. I feel like it's literally like cropped. I like and if I want to, I'm gonna actually take some tweezers and probably pluck out the bottoms a little bit so it could look, a little more like natural, so it won't look like I cut it. So yeah, I'm about to like take some tweezers and just go through it. Okay, so this is what the hoodie looks like. It's a little bit longer in the back, but honestly, I don't think I really mind it. Like, I still really like it. And it's a little short in the front, but honestly, like I said, I really like it. And I took a tweezer and just plucked the little bottom so it can look a little natural. And I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm really proud of how it came out. I feel like I cut it the right way. Like I said, it's a little longer in the back, but I don't mind that. And I really do like this. So I feel like this was really easy, so I like this. So that's how I cropped my hoodie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and turn on my bell notification when I do upload, because I upload Tuesdays and Fridays. Tuesdays are usually makeup videos, but I really wanted to upload this video today because I was really excited to do it. I've been wanting to do this video for about a week now. But yeah, so I'm really excited about this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, like I said, give it a thumbs up, turn on the bell notification, and follow me on my social medias, which is JaylahMarshae on Instagram and @_JaylahMarshae on Twitter. I love you guys very, very much, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.